In early July 2025, our engineering director and technical team conducted a working visit to the factory of our partner, ESSOM, located in Thailand. Over the course of 2 days, the team carried out a comprehensive inspection and participated in intensive training related to various equipment ordered by our customers in Indonesia. This initiative is part of our commitment to ensuring that every unit delivered is in optimal condition and meets the required standards. The educational equipment ordered by our customer this time is primarily focused on fluid mechanics and water sedimentation, including several additional supporting apparatus. If your university is in need of engineering education equipment for teaching or research purposes, feel free to visit our website to explore our range of products. Don't hesitate to contact us, we'll be happy to assist you.